What is up, guys? Rev7 here. I thought I was going to make this video a Hot Wheels memorabilia episode, but I decided I was just going to make it a regular unboxing video and review. Today we got 3 Hot Wheels Blimps, which is a model. Well, I'm just going to show you one right here. This is one that we already opened. It's a blimp. That's about all it is. It's all plastic, but you can turn the wings on the back to display a different message. This one says Hot Wheels in yellow and Hot Wheels in red. But I thought we'd show you guys these because they'd make their own video. Because we got 3 of them. One of them's pretty cool for reasons you'll see when we show it to you. Anyway, this one's, there's not much to it. It says Hot Wheels on the side. And we already opened that one. Next up we have this cool black one. I think we're going to unbox this one. So get into it. This was made in 1998. These actually have their own extra piece of plastic in them to hold them in. This one, for its unchangeable decal, says Hot Wheels leading the way. I think that was their one of the slogans at that time. It's got the logo at the time on the side of it. And it switches over to Hot Wheels and digital I guess, font. Kind of like a scoreboard at a football game sort of thing, where it's a bunch of lights, and then it just lights up the ones that it needs to display the message sort of thing. I don't know what that's called. Bitmap or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's got a black, I don't know, the part that holds the air, the fins, and the area where people stay are red. I thought this was kind of cool. We might do a setup with these. And the coolest one, we're not going to be opening this one, but I thought this was the coolest one. We had to pick it up. Got this one. It says Rev It Up on it. Rev it up, rip it up. I don't know what it says on the other side, but I thought that was cool for Rev It Up 7 to have a blimp that says Rev It Up, rip it up on it. This one actually has painted in windows for the passengers, which I thought was cool. This was $9. So, yeah. This was made in 1991 or something. 1991. So this is actually really old. This is going on 27, I think. Actually, it is 27 years old. That's crazy how old this is. But thought it was pretty cool. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos on this channel. Bye.